Good evening. We are breaking into a very important piece of breaking news that's coming in from Tamil Nadu, where there has been a stampede-like situation at a section of Vijay's overcrowded rally in Karur in the state. Over 10 people have feared to have died. Some fainted. Workers have been taken in ambulances. A stampede-like situation, remember, at Vijay's Karur rally that has resulted in this tragedy where over 10 people have feared to have died. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has rushed top minister to the spot to Karur. We are also learning that doctors have been rushed from Trichy to Karur to look at the situation. This is a major tragedy that has happened at this mega rally of Vijay's. Remember, actor Vijay, who holds these sabhas every Saturday ever since the announcement of his political party, the TVK, he has been part of these massive rallies, and the kind of turnout that this it attracts is what has resulted in the stampede-like situation, and because of which there have been several people who have fainted, many of them children as well, and there are results or there are deaths that also are being reported. More than 10 to 11 people who have unfortunately died in the stampede that has happened at Vijay's rally in Karur. This is what we are picking up so far. We are also learning that Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has asked his ministers to go to the spot immediately. He's also put out a post on social media platform X. He's closely monitoring the situation. And this is what he is also looking at. It's a very, very worrying death toll that one learns of from this rally of Vijay's that was happening in Karur when this tragedy befell. In fact, remember, there have been several controversial statements that had been made by Vijay in the past, and what had happened today as well. And now we're learning very, very unfortunate figure of 29 people who've so far lost their lives. That's how much the number's gone up to. The casualties are constantly rising. This is the news that's coming in from Karur. The Chief Minister of the state says the news from Karur is worrying, requesting all to cooperate. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is also saying the former Minister Senthil Balaji and Mr. Subramaniam have been rushed to the spot. 29 are feared to be dead after the stampede that happened at Vijay's rally. This tragedy struck Vijay's rally in Karur, and 29 people so far is the casualty figure. That's how unfortunate the situation is at the moment. 29 people feared dead after the stampede. These are the visuals from the very areas of people rushed to the hospital, ambulances that have been rushed to the spot. How there have been several of those people who have fainted also being brought to the hospital. But the unfortunate figure, that of 29 deaths that one is learning of from Vijay's rally in Karur, is the big part. This is the massive tragedy that one talks of, one learns of from Vijay's rally that was happening in Karur. At least 29 fear to have died. Tragedy struck Karur as this rally that was being attended with by very many of the admirers and fans of Vijay. Remember, a very popular actor of the state of Tamil Nadu, turned politician. He floated his political outfit TVK. He's been holding these massive rallies. He has been speaking against the DMK, against the AIADMK, also the BJP. All of this was happening when this tragedy struck. My colleague Poonima has been tracking all the updates from the rally of Vijay in Karur. Distressing visuals also coming to fore. Poonima, we are now learning the death toll has gone up to 29, and the numbers could be many more. Poonima, if you're able to hear me. Tragedy at Vijay's rally, 29 people fear to have died. This is what we are learning at the moment. We are also, in fact, learning of how the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin is taking stock of the situation. He talks about how the situation that is emerging out of Karur, which is rather worrying. He also, in fact, goes on to say that he's gotten two of his ministers to leave for the spot immediately. And he's mentioned Senthil Balaji and Mr. Subramaniam, who have been told to reach Karur as soon as possible and take stock of the situation. He has, in fact, we are told, is closely watching this entire news that's emerging out of Karur. A stampede-like situation that occurred at Vijay's rally in Karur left many people fainting. Now the death toll has risen to 29. So far, 29 people. That is what is the figure that we are learning of. My colleague Purnima is also with us now. Purnima, if you can hear me, death toll is increasing. 29 people so far. What more can you tell us, Purnima? Unfortunate events emerging out of Karur.
Absolutely disturbing incident taking place in Karur. While Vijay started his speech, several people fainted. The initial estimate said that at least 20 people fainted and they were rushed to the hospital. Unfortunately, initial estimate said that 3 feared dead. But at the moment, we've been speaking to a district administration there and ministers there who are monitoring the situation closely. Health Minister Ma Subramanian confirmed that 29 people have died, 50 more being treated at hospitals in Karur, both government and private hospital. Apart from that, doctors from Salem and Trichy have also been dispatched to Karur, considering that there were several people who fainted. So to ensure that every patient has a doctor, they are in fact dispatching doctors from Trichy as well as Salem, 20 odd doctors from each of these districts being taken to Karur district. But at the moment, Health Minister confirms that 29 have died, 50 more undergoing treatment. Remember, some of those who fainted include children, senior citizens, women. So clearly, at the moment, everybody is monitoring the situation. Chief Minister has asked two other ministers to go to Karur and monitor the situation closely. Doctors being dispatched to Karur, and at the moment, the death toll has risen to 29, is what the Health Minister has confirmed.
Chief Minister saying MK Stalin has also